Let's take a look at how the SPEEDWRAP brand standard cable ties work, how they're different from other hook and loop cable ties, and why it's considered industrial grade. Not all hook and loop cable ties are made the same. SPEEDWRAP brand cable ties are industrial grade, flexible, reusable, and gentle on wires. Just right for cables that could be damaged by nylon zip ties. And did you know SPEEDWRAP standard cable ties are laminated without adhesives? That means there's no chemical residue and the product can't delaminate during use. This is very important when the fastener is used in warm environments, and another reason why OEMs and installers choose SPEEDWRAP. Compare a SPEEDWRAP brand cable tie to other brands. You'll see the head section of the SPEEDWRAP ties are larger. This provides more surface area for hook and loop engagement. Just insert the tip of the tie through the head and cinch down to stay permanently attached to a cable. Or just wrap the tie around a bundle or an object and onto itself for a secure hold. For tighter spaces, or where you need an even more flexible fastener, the SPEEDWRAP low-profile cable tie is ideal. This thinner tie wrap is reusable and surprisingly strong. Installers, integrators, and engineers use SPEEDWRAP cable ties because the line has so many sizes and colors to choose from, and because of the fastener's quality. Don't see the size or the correct cable tie for your application? No worries. Speedtech, the manufacturer of SPEEDWRAP, is a leading custom fabricator and converter, located in the US. As an ISO certified manufacturer, Speedtech can provide custom hook and loop ties in the exact size, shape, or color you want, with the quality and consistency leading OEMs, installers, and distributors require. And have you considered having your company name, logo, or website printed on hook and loop ties? With Speedtech's proprietary printing capabilities, you can display important messages on the cables you're bundling, or even promote your company at a job site or installation. No one offers printing like Speedtech. Customers have enough on their plates. That's why Speedtech is in business, to make it easy for customers to find the product, service, fast delivery, and support they need so they can solve their fastener needs. To find the correct fastener solution for your application, contact Speedtech or an authorized SPEEDWRAP brand distributor today.